Well, it's another day in the fire wrench garage. It's a cold one out there today, and -2. Got some snow overnight, so I apologize for the noise of the heater today because we're going to be hearing that all day. Unfortunately, I'm sorry. But when we last left off, I pulled the timing gears out and the lifters, and of course, as we know now, all this is going to get replaced. I got new rockers from Ford Performance, so replace those. I also got new lifters from Comp Cams, since we're going to do the Comp cams. And now today I'm going to pull off the heads because I can't do the bearings down below without pulling the heads off, at least for the mains and the I could probably do the pistons, on the rod bearings, but the mains, everything's going to have to come out. I've just come to realize that it's just going to be a lot easier to pull the heads off since I'm replacing the springs. These springs here, your valve springs, it's going to be probably easier to pull the heads off and do those anyway. And then it'll give me a chance to clean up everything really good and just make life a little bit easier. But as you can see, I've got a mess. I've got stuff everywhere and boxes of stuff and just a general mess of tools everywhere. So I'm going to spend a little bit of time this morning cleaning up everything, organizing everything, and making it a little easier and cleaner place to work. As soon as I get ready to start on the heads, we'll start up the video again. So we got the left head off, and looking down in the cylinders, I don't know if you can see or not, but there's nice crotch hatch pattern in there. Can't talk today, that's special, but obviously we'll get that all cleaned up. I am going to pull out these pistons. Everything looks pretty decent in there. I'm going to go ahead and get the right side, spin this around and get the right side off. So now we've got the right side off, and this one is equally dirty, but I don't see any head gasket issues or anything like that. Just kind of looking through everything. Still nice cross hatching in the cylinders, so that's nice. Alright, so now we're gonna flip it around and start taking the bearings out.